Yellow. Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I hope this inspires some of you to get some things done around the house and give you a little cleaning motivation. So let's get into it. One of the things that I try to stay consistent with is this basket that we have in the living room is the toy basket that we keep all of my son's toys in. Not all of them, but the majority of them. And I try not to go over this basket. So all of his toys will fit in this basket, and we don't normally buy him new things. I mean, we do, but let me rephrase that. If we buy him a new toy, we will get rid of an old one. Or if he's gifted a new toy, we'll get rid of an old one that he doesn't really play with or something that he's outgrown. And what I find this helps with is A, it helps with overspending and buying unnecessary things. B, it helps keep things nice and tidy. And C, from my experience, I mean, I only have one child, but kids want your time, you know? They don't want material things most of the time, unless they're older, of course. But so I try to keep things just confined to that one basket. I mean, he does have a couple of toys up in his room, books and a tricycle and a motorized car, things like that. But as far as just like, loose toys, I try to keep it to that one basket and do not overflow it. I think eventually I will end up painting these baseboards. If you can see the outer part of the fireplace, how white it is compared to the baseboard is kind of like a vanilla color. I don't particularly like that. That'll be kind of a bigger project that I'll have to take on, but I eventually do want to get that done. So while I was cleaning the PlayStation, the game came out and I tried turning it back on and it wasn't turning back on. I was like, oh no, I really hope I didn't break it. Yesterday, today is Monday. So Sunday, I washed these pillows and these blankets and some other spare blankets and stuff. And it was just a really good feeling. These smelled so good. And I was just like, yes. Trying to get you guys some good angles and things of like things that were dirty and cleaned them afterwards. But my son only slept for half an hour and I was just like, dang it. Say hi. Vacuuming is definitely one of my favorite chores. I love vacuuming so much. I vacuumed all the time when I was pregnant, and I think that's one of the major reasons why my son loves the vacuum so much. I mean, I will turn it on and he just goes crazy about it. He likes to touch it, he likes to vacuum himself, and so forth. And I apologize about the noise in the background, you guys. I tried making a voiceover like a million times, and every time he made noise, I mean, it's just inevitable. But yeah. I remember one time we had a Kirby representative come over and I wasn't home, but my husband, I love him to death, but sometimes he's a sucker. He let the guy come in and he was like doing a presentation on the stairs with a vacuum, and he's like, yeah, like this is how it works. And he was telling me all about it when I came home, and he's like, yeah, like it's such a good vacuum, you know, I've never seen the stairs, you know, so clean and yada yada. And I was like, okay. I was like, well, we don't need that. And I know Kirby vacuums were like super expensive. And I was like, how much was he trying to sell you it for? And I think he said like $4,000. I was like, what in the? I was like, hail to the nah. I'm sure a lot of you know this trick, but for stainless steel appliances, if you are trying to get them nice and shiny and new looking, definitely use some WD-40. It will not remove scratches, but it will definitely hide them. It will make your stainless steel appliances look new and shiny and fresh, and it's just a really good way to get them nice and clean. And in this next clip, I'm going to show you slow down me cleaning the what is it called, dishwasher. Now, as you guys can see, as I'm wiping it down, just look at the comparison from the top to the bottom. You can definitely see that it's a lot more shiny and clear. And these microfiber cloths, I believe we got at Costco for like 10 bucks. And there's a lot of cloths that come in a package. Like, I don't even remember, but there's plenty. Like, you can use them for your car, for everything, cleaning, whatever, you name it. I love these chairs because they are like a not velvet, but they kind of feel like velvet material, and they are so easy to clean, easy to wipe down, especially having a little one, you know, grubby hands everywhere. And I actually got them on Facebook Marketplace, brand new, in the box, never used. And I think we paid, I think it was like 200 bucks for all 4 of the chairs, which, I mean, I don't think is a very bad deal. Some people might think so, but I really like them. They're sturdy. They're, like I said, easy to clean and very durable. Bop bop. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye.